Today I'm going to be reviewing my model floor lamp with this built-in shelf. It is sleek, minimal, and designed to give you both function and style. This is perfect for a living room or a bedroom and even small spaces. Take a look. So what makes this lamp different is that it has an adjustable pole, so you can actually twist or shift between two different silhouettes depending on your space or preference. This is a nice touch, which it adds versatility without overcomplicating things. The built-in shelf that we have right here holds up to 30 pounds, which is a big plus. I've stacked a book here just to kind of show you what you could place on it, but you could also put a plant. It handles it very easily. The tripod base keeps it stable, and its lightweight metal means no worries about damage or getting bumped. It was so easy to put together. So this is compatible with any E26 LED CFL light bulbs. I went with the warm LED bulb with the linen shade. It gives it that soft, diffused glow. This lamp really sets the tone without being too harsh, so this is perfect for the living room. So the assembly was quick. It was less than 15 minutes and no tools were needed. Everything that you need clicks right into place. So if you're someone that dreads building furniture, don't worry, because this was so easy to build.
Once you're done, simply press down and you're ready to go.
So overall, this is an amazing piece for your living room, bedroom, any small spaces. It is functional, clean design, and very easy to assemble. And the added shelf really makes it stand out. So if you're looking for a new floor lamp to upgrade your space or just in general, then definitely check this one out.